Hi everyone, I've been trying to get hold of a rear wiper blade for my Japanese, that's a VIN number that starts JT, my Japanese 53 plate Toyota Corolla. I've tried numerous different places, and I've even had two I've ordered and had to send back because they're quoted as being compatible and they simply don't fit, or they're too big. Even GSF car parts are quoting different sizes, but just to let you know and hopefully save you the hassle that I've been through, the blade is 12 inches for the rear wipe on my 53, and the reference number you need to get, and this is a Toyota genuine part which was only £9.50 I think, so it's actually cheaper than a lot of the ones online, is 852421350, 350mm, which is 12 inches. I'm just going to unwrap it and let you have a look at the middle. This is how the actual wiper looks. This is the business part. So you've got one big piece that clips in, and then two little lugs on the side. Hopefully they'll come out on the camera, and quite big gaps either side of the pin, and that's really what you want, because the other two I had, neither of them were the right size and I couldn't put the arm through. Back out of the car, if your wiper arm looks like this, then this is the one you want. And I'm just going to fit it now. Just going to try and fit this now. So you can see, bingo. I'll put the reference number down. So just to give you the reference number again, you're looking for compatible 85242-13050, albeit if you speak to Toyota, they'll probably be able to source one for you, pretty much as cheap as you get it online anyway.